Got an unexpected number staring back at you when you log into your Bread savings account? Maybe a transaction you don't remember, or a balance that seems totally off. It can be a bit of a shock, seeing an error in your high-yield savings account, especially when you're trusting that money to grow safely. You might immediately wonder, is my money okay? What do I do right now? First off, take a deep breath. Mistakes happen, even with major financial institutions. Bread savings, like any bank, can experience internal processing errors, glitches in their online platform, or even clerical errors. The good news is that there's a clear process to follow to get it sorted quickly and protect your funds. Here's exactly what you need to do if you spot an error in your Bread savings account. Step 1. Document everything immediately. Before you do anything else, capture the evidence. Take screenshots of the error, whether it's the incorrect balance, the mystery transaction, or the missing deposit. Write down the exact date and time you noticed the issue, and any relevant details like transaction IDs or amounts. This is your essential paper trail. Step 2. Check for common misunderstandings. Sometimes, what looks like an error is actually a normal banking delay. Ask yourself, did I just make a deposit? Transfers or deposits from an external bank can take 1 to 3 business days to fully clear and reflect in your available balance. A pending transaction might look like a delay or a temporary mismatch. Is it an interest payment? Interest on your Bread savings account is paid monthly. If you're checking mid-month, the balance might not reflect the full expected interest for that period. If you've ruled out a simple delay, it's time to move to the official channel. Step 3. Contact Bread savings customer support. This is the most critical step. Don't wait, and don't just send an email. You need to use their dedicated support lines to report a potential error. Bread savings provides clear contact options on their website. It is generally best to call their customer service number directly for time-sensitive issues. Explain the situation clearly, reference the exact dates and amounts, and let the representative know you have documentation. Step 4. Formally dispute the error, if necessary. If the phone call doesn't immediately resolve the issue or if it's a significant error, you should follow up with a formal written notice, often referred to as an error resolution. This letter should include your account number, a description of the error, and copies of the documentation you gathered in Step 1. Bread savings, previously known as Bread Financial or Community, is subject to federal regulations like the Electronic Fund Transfer Act, which sets deadlines for banks to investigate and resolve errors once they receive formal notification. Sending a letter ensures you trigger these protections. You can usually find the proper mailing address for error disputes on their website or in your account agreement. A quick word on security. While most errors are clerical, if you notice unauthorized transactions, this could be a sign of fraud. In this case, in addition to following the steps above, you should change your password immediately and monitor all your linked accounts. By documenting the problem and contacting Bread savings promptly through their official channels, you put the power back in your hands and ensure a swift resolution to get your money back on track. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.